Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles in VLC Media Player step by step. Whether you're watching a movie in another language or you simply prefer reading subtitles, VLC makes the process really simple. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to watch. Once the video starts playing, move your cursor to the menu bar at the top of the window and click Subtitle. From the drop-down menu, select Add Subtitle File. Next, browse to the folder where your subtitle file is saved. Most subtitle files use the SRT format, although VLC also supports several other subtitle formats. Select the correct subtitle file, then click Open. If the subtitle matches your video, it should appear on the screen almost immediately. If the subtitles don't appear correctly or seem out of sync, don't worry. Click the Tools menu and open Track Synchronization, or use the Subtitle Delay keyboard shortcuts to adjust the timing while the video is playing. Small timing changes can make a big difference if the subtitles are slightly early or late. You can also customize how your subtitles look by opening Tools, then Preferences, and selecting the Subtitles and OSD section. From there, you can change the font, size, color, and other display settings to make the subtitles easier to read, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to add subtitles in VLC Media Player and adjust them for a better viewing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.